there's the wind again. See it ripping down the street. Whoa, almost lost the door. Bigger hail. Oh, it's about the size of a quarter. This is flooded down here. The cars are supposed to be underwater. Oh yes. We should probably turn around. Could probably make it through there, but I don't know. I just don't feel like walking. There's Maple, and this is Pine Street. I'm coming to Greenview. This is the one that's underwater. And they got the street blocked off. Not letting people through. Got another alert. Oh, flash flooding. Something blocked off over there, coming down Memorial Bridge. Wow, the lagoon is full to the brim. Main Street's supposed to be flooded from what I read online. We'll see how that looks. Got a storm chaser ahead of us. Project Weather Eye. Go the other way down Main Street and see what I'm sure it's pretty flooded down this way. Under the bridge might be lower, might be flooded, I don't know, we'll see. See what we got going on. Maybe just an accident. Oh yeah. Rescue of some kind? I don't know. They're looking in the woods. Intersection of Mineral Point in Washington is pretty freaking flooded. It's up over the curbs. That guy just blew the stop sign. It's kind of rude. completely underwater down there. I'm gonna go down and check out Riverside Park. See if that's flooded at all. What do we got here? Holy cow, those are rocks. What the heck? Okay, that is crazy. That's a washout. This is insane. That's a 200-pound rock at least. And all these rocks down there, wow. This is kind of crazy. These are freaking giant boulders. This had to have been flooded so bad. To wash boulders all the way down the street. Oh wow, there's another blowout up here. How does it... Ginormous rocks. It looks like they came from, I don't know. There's the tunnel, the railroad tracks. This is all washed out. Maybe up there or around there. It's kind of nuts. You can see some massive flooding went through here. It looks like a pile of debris from a flood. Yeah, this is all... Wow. It must have been like a wild rapids coming through here. It's all flooded on the right. Boat landing. Washout here. That was all washed out. Wow. That had to have been a lot of water. The little drainage creek there, I'm sure that was probably just raging. Probably overflowed it, obviously. And it's still flowing down there. through here. Comes the police. Debris washed out. Even rocks all the way down here. Okay, he's just gonna sit there and not let me through. Bowling ball sized rocks there. Big these are. Bedroom slippers. I'm not going down any farther. I'm just gonna turn around here in the Elks Lodge. We have a full-blown river going through there.